two prominent cryptocurrency specialists have identified commonalities that support the notion that XRP is poised for a significant price surge, similar to the one we saw in the market 5 years ago. This development has caused embarrassment and defeat among pro-XRP attorneys and the wider community. After a protracted period of consolidation with significant underperformance, the potential reversal could happen quickly. Increasingly, studies are emphasizing the historically positive price patterns and momentum indicators to depict the current situation of the token. XRP illustrated a multi-year triangle that closely resembled the one formed after reaching its highest point in 2013 and thereafter initiating a downward trend. Current direction or pattern of change. According to a market watcher, the structure of XRP enabled it to stay within a certain range until a substantial increase in 2017 resulted in a fourfold increase in its value. Wednesday signifies the conclusion of XRP's monthly operation. Our focus is currently on the MACD and the symmetrical triangle formation. In the past, when we observed symmetrical triangles, a rebound with a parabolic movement occurred when the indicator crossed above zero. There is now a new symmetrical triangle that has halted the upward movement after Ripple XRP fell behind the current trend. Market time is being devoted to crafting a visually impressive structure. Should we expect another increase in value for XRP, as this is one of the most significant alterations in this particular cycle? Another authority has asserted that the current structure requires an ultimate surrender. Ignite to prepare for the commencement of pyrotechnic displays. Interestingly, people who weren't happy with the comeback started to lose hope in 2017, which led to the excitement that followed a noticeable decline. There will be another opportunity to join at a discounted fee before the debut, as experts predict. According to momentum indicators like the monthly chart, the previous breakout of XRP in late 2016 was associated with a textbook cross. This reinforced the existing sense of confidence. The current convergence of dynamics is strengthening the historical roadmap and bringing new insights. Concerns about XRP's future role in the global financial infrastructure and legal challenges have followed its significant decline since September, when it outperformed other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. The current dynamics resemble those in 2017, when lagging returns were eventually reversed with great intensity. Investors in XRP can find reassurance in this analysis, as officials from the Securities and Exchange Commission experienced a significant defeat in their continuous efforts to regulate the cryptocurrency industry. The legal community supporting XRP views this recent development, which the SEC has acknowledged, as a significant setback. The Securities and Exchange Commission announced on Tuesday its decision to conclude the prominent investigation into the cryptocurrency company Debtbox. Initially, Debtbox faced charges of promoting unregistered securities and deceiving investors, resulting in losses exceeding $50 million. These charges arose from a series of events that jeopardized the SEC's standing, as it was accused of misleading Judge Robert Shelby of Utah's Northern Division District Court. The case took an unforeseen twist when the Securities and Exchange Commission decided to withdraw its legal action. The XRP legal community expressed their dissatisfaction with the SEC's handling of the matter, with John Denton, a prominent supporter of XRP, voicing his disagreement with the outcome. Denton criticized Gary Gensler's leadership, or lack thereof, and held him responsible for this disgraceful situation. He expressed his sadness regarding issues such as the Ripple case and the rejection of the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. Dion alleges that the SEC has been employing a series of questionable legal strategies. He suggests that the SEC should have reevaluated its approach based on the outcomes of these cases. However, he claims that the agency continued to act as if truth and justice were inconsequential. Furthermore, Dion asserts that despite the alarming facts he's already presented, which would shame any lawyer or leader, the attorneys representing your organization displayed a complete disregard for the truth and the pursuit of justice. This was all done to protect your corrupt lawyers from legal accountability, despite their sworn duty to uphold the law. Dion compares this situation to impregnating one's girlfriend and then coercing her into having an abortion in order to avoid paying child support. Such a scenario would undoubtedly raise concerns within the Securities and Exchange Commission. In their brief, the SEC conceded that there were multiple faults in the case. even though they disagreed with the defendant's assertions. One crucial element of the initial accusation was the absence of concrete evidence regarding offshore wealth transfers. The lawyers for the Securities and Exchange Commission said that their presentation of evidence was incorrect in light of this newly discovered, and the defendants in the case have strongly objected to the actions taken thus far. They have made efforts to argue for a biased dismissal and have sought compensation for the expenses incurred due to the actions of the Securities and Exchange Commission, both in terms of monetary and reputational damage. The defendants claim that the SEC's actions have caused significant legal harm. Bitcoin stakeholders are closely monitoring the outcome as the SEC attempts to amicably resolve this rejection, potentially paving the way for future opportunities to revisit. The SEC's unethical practices and excessive regulation are once again evident in this case, which involves a groundbreaking proposal by David Finks to make significant alterations. The governance of the XRP Ledger Foundation has generated intense discussions among the XRP community. Will this significant shift ultimately benefit the XRP community? Additionally, have you ever found the technology behind Ripples and its potential for future development to be intriguing? In addition, we will examine the Ripple prices as they prepare for either a significant upward movement or a sudden decline. John Denton, an advocate for Ripple, has successfully strengthened their victory over the SEC by shedding light on some significant historical legal truths. The XRP community is currently divided over David, a prominent Ripple developer, due to his proposal to significantly change the governance structure of the XRP Ledger Foundation. This plan involves reorganizing the foundation's membership and implementing a new method for selecting the board of directors. Fink's observations of community dissatisfaction highlight the need for a decentralized and democratic organization. He emphasizes that his plan is an independent endeavor, not supported by Ripple, aimed at addressing the apparent issues within the XRP community. The user believes that XRP is an excellent field for experimentation and engagement due to its significant role in managing resources like infrastructure, GitHub repositories, and websites. Signs of momentum, such as the monthly moving average convergence. The occurrence of divergence resulted in a traditional crossover right before the launch in late 2016, which was linked to the previous breakout of XRP. This further strengthened the existing confidence in the historical roadmap and is currently offering new insights through this highly dynamic convergence. The current concerns regarding its future position in the global financial system and legal obstacles have arisen due to XRP's significant decrease since September, during which it surpassed other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. The current apex of the triangle may suggest forthcoming dynamics reminiscent of the events of 2017, when delayed returns were ultimately reversed with great intensity. Several individuals have expressed their apprehensions through a sequence of remarks regarding Ripple's potential issuance of extra XRP coins in the future. There have been recent rumors suggesting that Ripple has the ability to generate additional XRP tokens beyond the current supply in circulation or held in escrow wallets. These rumors originated from a post made by an individual known as Internet Dollar on Platform X, which sparked a significant amount of discussion. Notably, a well-known internet personality has also made a series of predictions outlining the potential sequence of future events. One of these predictions is that the revaluation of digital currency will cause XRP's price to skyrocket. That's all for now.